But when you reach in the countryside, like St. Elizabeth, you get to understand how wicked the hurricane came here.
What you do? I don't want nobody with me from morning now.
So tell me about your experience.
Okay, so to be honest with you, it was worse than what we expected. Very, very bad.
Why did you evacuate?
To be honest with you, we heard that the hurricane was coming in now.
And I've told me that we said we take whole round, so we just rushing out inside the battle to pop up with it like a sign.
We heard that the hurricane was coming in now and might be happening, but we really never expected to come like this. Our expectation was like very real expectation, so we never really realized, or we didn't think this well then it would have come this hard to affect us. You understand me? So that's the reason why we did not evacuate, to be honest with you. That's the only reason why we did not evacuate.
Have you gotten any help yet?
And the only help we get is from my neighbor them by putting up my kids, and we cook a little meal. They give me. And my kids them no other form of help from no government perspective, nobody at all. Only from neighbors, the good ones that reach out to us and help us. That is the only help we get so far.
So what kind of help would you like right now?
All right, so the kind of help we want right now, the frame is there because our structure is concrete structure. The frame is there, so the help we want now is food, water, shelter over the roof. We want roofing because the roofing is totally gone. So food, water, roofing, and we don't know how long from now school will be back in process. So that we need to help to start up back our kids' stuff for school and so forth.
Yeah, school officially start at Monday, but you know.
Not for me, to be honest with you. No school for me on Monday because we don't even have electricity. And to be honest with you, we have to go back over again. The school is destroyed based on what we heard. And we have to go all over again to get reconnection for our house. Because every electrical wire is torn, is threaded out. So we have to start from scratch again. Basically, we have to start back life over again, as far as we see it. Because having a frame structure and we don't have no food, we don't have nothing, is not life.
Well, the government did say they're going to build back better than ever.
Only hope that the government will persuade in whatever they said, or as me would have put it say, I only hope they don't come with the empty promises and no fulfillment. Because, to be honest, and this is a government we vote for, I'm going to be crank with you. So only hope, the whole vote for him. So only hope and come. We now look to see why we didn't live in our 4-room or a 4-room get destroyed and we're going to say, boy, a government say me want back my 4-room. No. If I even want a room, a bathroom, and a kitchen, we're static. I'm not telling no, I'm not talking for nobody else, no, but I'm talking for myself. I would and I will gladly appreciate that room, bathroom, and a kitchen is enough for me. Because from there, we can be able to get up and go out there, go start and put on somewhere else another further on in life. But for now, that's what we want.
If anybody wants to donate, how they reach you?
All right, so if anybody wants to donate to us, they can reach me at... Where exactly are you? So we're located at New Holland District, Middle Quarters, PO, St. Elizabeth. That's in between Holland Bumble to Middle Quarters. We're in that vicinity right there. So that's where you can find us.
So what's your plan for the next couple of days?
All right, so my plan for the couple of days is the 2 weeks I close on my same. Get up tomorrow morning, wash them out, sun my mattress, and my neighbor has a 1-room big place, try to get them in there. That's where my documents are, my kids' documents. That's all I can do right now. I'm just walking a bounce for my neighbor, then find that the neighbor to the next neighbor, which that next place them have. So that's all I can do. There's nothing more I can do.
Yeah. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, sister.
Changes around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Yes, sir.
Tell us about your hurricane experience.
Yeah. Well, the hurricane experience in Kingston, it wasn't that bad. But when you reach in the countryside, like St. Elizabeth, you get to understand how wicked the hurricane came here. You know, Westmoreland, Montego Bay, you get to understand what it was. You see it all over all them places. Mash up jet. Black River, them's the Black River gone. And we don't reach there yet. So right now, the Beenie Foundation is circling and trying to get some food to the people them. And we are clear the road for the vehicle them. So all of them things there. So we are doing physical work and mental work and feed the people them.
So you've been on the road from morning.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the plan for the foundation? How exactly you intend to help?
No, all right. How exactly I intend to help is I'm gonna get help for the people them who lose them roof and people who them house smash up and thing. If I can get some help from other people to help them, I will try to do that. But if I have to do out of pocket, I will do it out of my own pocket.
How do people worldwide get help
Yeah.
to the foundation?
Oh,
How we contact the foundation?
Beenie Foundation, it's online. I contact King Beenie and anything. King Beenie at Instagram, King Beenie at Facebook, King Beenie everywhere. So anybody who want to help and can give us help, we need it. It's not like we don't need it, we do need it. Because Jamaica is devastated and the people are devastated. So I just want people to know that the people are in need and we need help. So if you can't help me for help them, you can't help me for help myself. Zaga.
All right. Where were you exactly when the storm hit?
I was in Kingston. I was actually watching the storm. I was in the storm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what else is good? Crystal is on the road working with you?
No, well, it's my where we are not together anymore. So it's my wife, Camille Davis. She's on the road with me, and she's doing all of that. She's outside there. She's driving the Y-Benz, and yeah, she is the president of the foundation, and she's dealing with the foundation because I have to sing song and I have to perform for the people.
Yeah.
So I cannot do everything one
Right.
time. Yeah.
Pause a second. No, it's your daughter, wasn't it? We thought your daughter.